get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
In this video, I'm going to review Superior Phonics OS, which I'm using for today's. It's really a perfect ROM for daily drive. You can use it on your daily life, no problem on it. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, everything is working here. On SIM card option, you have so many options to lock your network. If you suppose you think you are in a low coverage area where 3G or 4G network is not available perfectly, on that way you can use only LTE version, GSM only, and WCDM only. It's your own choice. You can lock that network, and Wi-Fi, hotspot, everything is working fine, no problem on it. And the UI is really very smooth. You can see here, and the animation is available, really nice here. And on the setting, let me show you the version. It's Superior OS, you can see the logo, and Android version 10, and I'm using here genom magisk kernel. I'll provide the link in description of kernel as well, you can check it out. And the next one, move on to the superior goodies. You have that kind of settings here. You'll get that settings, status bar, quick setting, buttons, navigation bar, gesture, lock screen, power menu, notification. So let's check one by one. On a status bar, you have network traffic icon, you can see on the bottom, you can see here. You have network traffic here. You can see VoLTE icon, display, battery style. You can select so many type of battery styles available here, no problem on it. And clock style, date format, and position, anything you can change here. And the next one is quick settings, brightness slider, option bottom and top, navigation bar, gesture. We have options to swipe 3 finger to take any screenshot, and log screen. You have lots of information here. You can change as you want. And you have one important thing is here, you will get here advanced reboot menu. When you can go to twrp mode directly from here by pressing, you can see here, by pressing the power button. If you press on advanced boot, then you can move on to the reboot, bootloader, whatever. And the next one is miscellaneous, and then notification, you have gaming mode as well. And let me show you the battery percentage. Here is the screenshot I have taken. You can see the battery uses. The screen uses since full charge, 5 hours 36 minutes. Still on that time I have 50% charge. So you can guess the battery backup is really good and perfect for daily use. You can use it, no problem on it, and it's very smooth ROM for your daily life. You can use that ROM. So that's the video for today, guys. If you guys like my videos, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you're new, then please keep watching my channel, and you will love my channel, I think so. And if you already subscribed, then thank you so much.